Guys, let's have a look on setting up Apache on Linux Subsystem for Windows 10. So fire up this Ubuntu shell. You can just sudo apt get update. You need a small update to done. So now type your password here. It'll be simple as that. So okay, now it's getting updated. So now we need Apache to check with this other PHP kind of web application. So that's why we are trying to install it. Let's type apt get install Apache 2. Press enter. Now the Apache 2, you have to answer here yes. By default, if you press enter, it will take as this. Now it will be installing all the stuff necessary to get Apache 2. So it'll take a minute to install. This is depends on your internet speed. Okay, it's getting done now. Within a moment, you are ready to test. Okay, now we do the simple clear here. CD, yeah. Now if you check this www folder, that means the Apache is installed correctly. You have an HTML and you have this default index.html file here. Let's fire up the browser, type localhost and press enter. Now we are running localhost on a Linux subsystem for Windows 10. So still, okay, looks like the Apache is not, the service is not running. Let's go back to Ubuntu shell, type sudo service apache 2 start, press enter. Now everything is okay. Now type localhost and press enter. So you are now ready for like testing Apache. That means you are installed Apache here without any problem. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.